In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an offer in order for your affiliates to be able to get an affiliate link, in order for them to be able to start promoting and selling your products, and in order for them to be earning commission on those sales. So what we're going to do is navigate over here to Network on the left-hand side, and we're going to come here to Offers. And what we're going to do is add our first offer, and we're going to give this a name. I'm just going to call it my affiliate offer. And you're going to name this something relevant to what it actually is and what it is that you're wanting them to promote. In the description, you're going to add a bit more information about how it works, how long it's running for, what percentage commission they'll be earning. So I'm going to say 25% commission till the 30th of April. There we go. And that's, what did I spell there? Till just one L. There we go. Okay. So then you can set your offer duration. Now you can leave this blank. You can say that there is no duration. You can say that that is just going to go until infinity. But I've said that I want this to run until the 30th of April. So I'm going to add an offer duration. I'm going to say from the 1st to the 30th of April. That is when it is valid. And then I'm going to apply that. You would then select what this is linked to. So you can choose a funnel or you can choose some pages. Now I went and created a funnel behind the scenes so that I can walk you through the process of someone using that affiliate link, going through the funnel, and then purchasing the product as they would if you're selling a program and your affiliates are sharing a link to that specific funnel that's taking them through that sales process. So I'm going to go ahead and select my affiliate funnel that I created. And then I'm going to go ahead and say save. Now you could also go ahead and select which pages of your website you would like them to have access to, or what you would like this affiliate offer to be linked to. But I'm just going to leave it as my funnel for now. Then I'm going to make sure it's published and I'm going to hit save. So now that that offer is created, if I log in as Betty, I should have access to this offer and I should be able to grab that affiliate link. So I'm going to navigate over to Betty's side over here. I'm going to go ahead and log in as Betty. I don't have any information on my website, so it's just blank. We're going to log in as Betty. Whoops. All right, and now that she's logged in, I want to access her affiliate dashboard. And to do that, I'm going to come here to my account and I'm going to click on affiliate. And if I scroll down here, you'll see that I have offers and I've got this affiliate offer over here. I can click on that and I can go ahead and copy this link, and then I can go ahead and share that link with my network of people. So if Betty is a massive influencer, she can go and share that link with all of her followers and start rolling those sales through. You'll see as well that she is told exactly when that offer is going to expire and what she'll be earning, and again, how long it's valid for. So all of the information that you put here explaining how this offer works is going to happen. Now, I am going to walk you through the process of how this all works at the very end. For now, we want to finish setting up our compensation plan and finalize all the little nitty-gritty details. So we're going to finish that up in the next video. I'll see you there.